Hi friends, this is Vidya here from Vidya's Kitchen Yummy Cake, a home baker, and today I'm going to show you a cake, a Dutch chocolate cake with a teal color and a silver dripping on it. Okay, so we'll start our cake. For that I have taken a chocolate sponge. जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया है लास्ट वीडियो में भी कि अगर आपको स्पॉन्ज की रेसिपी चाहिए तो आप मेरा ऑनलाइन क्लास कर सकते हो. यू जस्ट हैव टू विजिट माई वेबसाइट vidyaskitchenyummycake.com. वहाँ पे 25 to 26 क्लासेस आर देयर, ऑनलाइन क्लासेस आर अवेलेबल, तो आप वहाँ से डायरेक्टली कर सकते हो. नाउ इन दिस केक आई एम गिविंग 2 cuts. See, the chocolate cake should be soaked more than the white sponge. This is normal water what I am soaking. From sides पहले करने हैं and then keep it on the soak the cake on from middle. It should be nicely soaked. This is a whipped cream here. This is ganache. Now ganache I am putting 2 tablespoons of ganache in the cream and mixing it. So this cream turned into a Dutch cream. See, now this is a Dutch cream ready. Turn around. Now in this I'm again putting a ganache here. I'm giving a turn. See how lovely the turn it turns. Then the top portion top portion को मैं upside down रख रही हूँ, like that way. Straight turn so that the gaps will get filled. देखो अगर gaps है तो वो fill हो जाएंगे अच्छे से. See, and your cake will also raise height. Again soak the cake now. Now the top portion. Again straight, give a turn, and your cake is ready. Now you are going to soak the cake from up. Soak nicely. I am going to crumble coat the cake with this remaining cream here, so our cream won't get waste also. चॉकलेट केक को थोड़ा क्रम्बल कोट करना बहुत ज़रूरी है क्योंकि फिर वो क्रम्बल्स आपके वाइट क्रीम में, बिकॉज आई एम गोइंग टू गिव अ टील कलर सो दैट चॉकलेट क्रम्बल्स will come in the white cream. So it's better if you give a coating to your cake. So this is your crumble coat cake ready nicely. Okay, now this is your crumble coat cake ready. Now again I'm taking the cream here. And this is a teal color. You get it in a emery gel color. Emery gel color में ये color मिलेगा आपको. It's called a teal color. Mix it nicely. क्रीम को अच्छे से मिक्स करो so that your cream get nicely soft. If your cream is dry, see, now you can see the texture of the cream is so nice. You can see Okay. Now you're going to start from the corners. You're going to take a cream, see, and touch it and just spread it. Always you have to start from the corners, from the sides, and then you're going to put the cream in middle. See, always start from the corners and then we'll give a turn. Now your cake is completely covered. This is called a scrabber. Just touch it and I'm just giving a roll very lightly. This is a triangle here. Touch it. See how beautiful the finishing is. Now the top portion. Whenever you do the top portion, clean your knife, keep the finger in middle, and you just have to use the top portion like that way. Clean the knife again. Don't give pressure. See how nicely it's coming out. Very lightly, your hand should be very light. See, so this way our cake is completed. Now this I'm going to remove on the base now. See. Just see, and now you get this silver, magic के silver dripping आती है, तो I'll just shake nicely. Nicely shake it. This is dripping. You see, एंड यहाँ पे भी मैं बिकॉज आई हैव टू कवर दिस ऑल्सो, ऊपर का लेयर भी मुझे सिल्वर चाहिए, तो मैं ये कर रही हूँ. क्लीन द नाइफ. ड्रिपिंग करने के बाद हाँ, एंड जस्ट टच इट एंड गिव अ टर्न. सी, so your top portion is also covered with silver. Just see. This is 11 number, our 11 number nozzle. Just have a look. Eleven number nozzle. Now here I'm going to take a cream. ये क्रीम है, इसको पहले मैं अच्छे से फेंटूंगी और उसको सॉफ्ट करूंगी क्योंकि ड्राई क्रीम नहीं चाहिए मुझे. So this cream I'm going to make soft. See, nicely soft. तो अभी सपोज दिस इज द फ्रंट साइड फॉर एग्जाम्पल, तो आई एम गोइंग टू गिव, नॉट मेकिंग टू मच क्रीम, आई एम मेकिंग स्मॉल रोजेस, वेरी क्यूट रोजेस. Just see here. This is a silver spray to give a silver effect, and I'm picking up and putting on the cream. See. See. So these are the two cakes ready, two roses ready. Now this is a piping bag where I have given a cut here, a V-shaped cut, यहाँ से और यहाँ से. And I'm taking this green here. ये टील है हमारे पास, टील कलर है, तो मैं इसमें थोड़ा सा ग्रीन का इस्तेमाल करती हूँ. Shaded green. Green should be very soft. Then only you'll get a nice point. You can have a look here. See. You can shake your hand like that way to get a leaf, beautiful leaves. See, I'm just shaking my hand to get a variations in leaf. See. See how beautiful. Now I'm just taking a piping bag here. I'm just giving a straight cut. Straight cut. No nozzle I'm going to use. Okay. Just make the cream soft like that way. So that cream becomes soft. Okay, the cream is soft now. Okay, just see. Nice. Come here. Always start from the back side. See. A lovely dot, small border without nozzle, but the cream is very soft, so you'll get a very good finishing. But if the cream is stiff, you won't get a finishing. So be careful. Just have a look. The cake looks so pretty. These are the edible balls which are very easily available in the markets. So you can just place this here like that way to look more prettier. That's it. I don't want too much of balls because it will be too much. So I'll just put this much, because if you want to write a name or anything like that, so you will get a place here to write a name. Now this cake is for a kid which I'm making, which turns 3 years. So I have 3 years. I have the, see, just have a look here. 3 years. So I'll be keeping it here, maybe here. This look pretty. I don't want to keep it in middle. And I'll be writing her name here. So the cake will get finished perfectly. So this was a cake you learned. Hope you all liked it. And subscribe my channel please, and share, of course, share this video. Secondly, if you want to do any of my online classes, you just have to visit vidyaskitchenyummycake.com. There are too many classes available there. You can go there on my website, watch my introduction videos, and you can buy my class directly from my website. And if you have any queries or any questions to be asked, you just have to WhatsApp on 9144012345 and 9699833833. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.